Hey everyone! You've probably heard the term cryptocurrency before. And even if you haven't, names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or Binance might sound familiar. Yes, those are all types of cryptocurrencies. Many people buy them as investments, hoping their value will grow. Others use them as digital money to pay for goods and services. You may have seen how crypto prices start very low and suddenly skyrocket. Some people make huge profits, while others lose money just as quickly. That's why many are still unsure or even worried about cryptocurrencies. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? How does it work? And what do terms like blockchain, mining, or altcoin really mean? In this video, we'll break everything down in a simple and easy to understand way. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? The word cryptocurrency comes from crypto and currency. Crypto refers to cryptography, methods that protect information. Currency simply means money. So cryptocurrency is digital money secured by cryptography and operated through computer networks. Because it only exists digitally, cryptocurrency has no physical form. Those shiny Bitcoin coins you see online are just illustrations. Crypto lives entirely on the internet. You can send it, receive it, and use it much like regular money. So what makes it different from the dollars or euros in your banking app? Traditional currencies are controlled by central banks, and transactions require third-party systems like banks or payment services. With cryptocurrency, you can transfer funds directly to someone else without needing a middleman. Why doesn't crypto need a bank? The story begins in 2009 with Bitcoin, created by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Many theories exist about who he is, but no one truly knows. Unlike government-issued money, crypto was designed to be decentralized, not controlled by any authority. Some people disliked how governments manage money, so cryptocurrency was created to let individuals transact freely with each other. So is crypto money or an investment? Originally, it was meant to function as money, used for buying, selling, sending, and receiving. But over time, it became more popular as an investment tool. In some places, such as El Salvador, people still use cryptocurrency for daily purchases. But most people today use it to try to grow their wealth. Crypto's extreme price swings make it impractical as everyday money. You might buy a coffee for 0.001 BTC today, but tomorrow it could cost 0.002 BTC. Because of this volatility, people prefer using traditional currency for payments and crypto mainly for investing. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, but now there are thousands, including Ethereum, Tether, and many meme coins. Section 2. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency relies on a technology called blockchain. Imagine Robert has a notebook where every transaction is written down. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be erased or altered. And Robert isn't the only one with this notebook. Everyone in the blockchain network has a copy. If Robert tries to change something, his version won't match the others and will be rejected. Each page of the notebook is a block. When a page is filled, a new block is created and connected to the previous one, forming a chain, hence blockchain. When a new transaction happens, its details are sent to a worldwide network of computers. These computers verify the transaction by solving complex cryptographic puzzles. Once verified, the transaction is added permanently to the blockchain. In traditional finance, banks verify transactions. In crypto, the network of computers does the verification. So who are the ones to run these computers? People who run these computers are called miners. They solve difficult puzzles and, in return, they will earn new coins. This process is called mining, based on the proof-of-work system. Not all cryptocurrencies use mining. For example, Ethereum now uses a different model called proof-of-stake, which selects validators based on the amount of crypto they lock up. And I will explain about this in another video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching.